Welcome to lunch, Student Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Parliamentary Affairs. The last session of the 17th Lok Sabha served as a preparatory forum for polls. स्टूडेंट्स आपको आर्टिकल क्यों डिक्टेशन करवाते हैं, इसका भी कोई रीज़न है। रीज़न ये है कि आप डिक्टेशन को मतलब न्यूज़पेपर की डिक्टेशन को आप लिखना सीखोगे, रीडिंग करना सीखोगे, इसलिए आपको डिक्टेशन करवाते हैं। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट विद द कंक्लूजन ऑफ द लास्ट session of the 17th Lok Sabha on Saturday, the bugle has been sounded and the battle lines drawn for the general election. Prime Minister Narendra Modi mounted a sharp attack on the Congress and its leaders in his various interventions during the session, while avoiding criticism of any of the regional parties or their leaders. After the unprecedented suspension of 146 members during the winter session, the last session began on a more cheerful note. All members were back in the House, including the 14th members of Parliament whose cases were referred to the privilege committees of the two houses. The committees cleared their names just ahead of the session, but Aam Aadmi Party MP and leader Sanjay Singh, who was recently re-elected to the upper house, could not take oath on the ground that the breach of privilege cases against him moved in his previous term are still pending. The Rajya Sabha Privileges Committee has not even scheduled a meeting. The session was extended by a day to debate a resolution on the Ram Temple. The left parties were the only ones to take a clear stand in their boycott by announcing that they would not be a party to any communal agenda. The other opposition parties, not willing to invite any controversy, came up with different reasons to stay away. The Darvida Monentra Kazagam in the Lok Sabha cited the plight of Tamil fishermen, and in the Rajya Sabha focused on the center's indifference towards the destruction caused by flooding in the state to stay away from the proceeding. The Trinamool Congress and Aam Aadmi MPs were not to be seen. The last 5 years have been unprecedented in Indian parliamentary history. Parliament shifted to newer and much larger precedents amid criticism of its design from the British era building. Paradoxically, just as parliamentarians got more room, the 70th Lok Sabha witnessed the continuous erosion of the role of the opposition. In a first, the Lok Sabha functioned without a deputy speaker, a post that is conventionally occupied by the opposition for the entire term. The 5 years were also marked by a steady decline in the opposition's bench strength in the Rajya Sabha. The Congress has only 30 members in the upper house, far behind the 93 members from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The government had its way and say while the opposition spent time on the sidelines. Full stop.